Hello everyone and welcome back to Immigration Talk Show. So you have filed your H1B petition, right? A big congratulations on taking that very big first step. But now what? What actually happens behind the scenes and how will you know if you are approved or not? Well, in today's video, friend, we are going to cover what happens after filing your H1B petition, including the processing stages, lottery system, and also how USCIS makes its decision. So we will also go over the possible outcomes so you know exactly what to expect. Well, friends, this video is packed with lots of info, so grab a notepad and let's dive right in. Firstly, let's talk about the H1B lottery system, which is where everything starts after filing. So the H1B visa program has an annual cap on the number of visas issued, and the general cap is 65,000 visas for applicants who are seeking employment in specialty occupations. In addition, there's a special cap exemption also of 20,000 visas that are reserved for applicants who hold a master's degree or higher from a US institution. So this means that individuals with advanced degrees from US universities have a better chance of being selected in the lottery process. Now let's also take a look at how it works. Step 1. All petitions, including those eligible for the advanced degree exemptions, are entered into the regular cap lottery for 65,000 visas. Step 2. Petitions that are not selected in the regular cap lottery that are eligible for the advanced degree exemption are then entered into a separate lottery for the additional 20,000 visas that are reserved for US advanced degree holders. Well, this two-tiered lottery system effectively gives applicants with a US master's degree or higher two opportunities to be selected. And once the lottery results are announced, USCIS will notify employers about whether their petitions were selected or not. And you know what the good news is? That if you weren't selected, then also your employer may consider reapplying the following year or explore other visa options. So if we talk about USCIS processing and status updates, then once your petition is selected in the lottery, it moves to the processing phase. Here what happens. Number 1. Case receipt. Your employer will receive a receipt notice form I-797C from USCIS confirming your petition is being processed. Next is initial review. So USCIS carefully reviews your application to ensure that all documents are complete and requirements are met. Next, request for evidence or RFEs. So if USCIS needs more information, they will issue an RFE. This isn't a rejection, keep that in mind. It's just a request for clarification or additional documents. Well, employers typically have 90 days to respond on this. And now, depending on the type of processing, number 1, regular processing. This can take several months, so patience is key. Next is premium processing. If your employer paid the extra $2,805 fee, then USCIS guarantees a decision within 15 business days. You or your employer can track your petition status on the USCIS website using the receipt number. Or you can also just visit the case status page and input your number for updates. So now we talk about what are the possible outcomes of your H1B petition. Let's go through them. Firstly, approval. So if USCIS approves your petition, then congratulations, because you are officially eligible to work in the US under H1B status that is starting October 1. Next, denial. So a denial usually happens if the petition doesn't meet the H1B requirements. Common reasons include like missing documents, insufficient employer evidence, or an unqualified position. Next is RFE, request for evidence. As I mentioned earlier, an RFE is a request for more information, not a rejection. If your employer responds successfully, your petition could still be approved. If your petition is denied or not selected in the lottery, then please, friends, don't lose hope. There are other options as well. Let's take a look on that. Number 1, O1 visa. For individuals with extraordinary ability or achievement in their field, they can opt for O1 visa. Next, L1 visa. This is for intra-company transferees who work in managerial positions or have specialized knowledge. Next is H1B cap exempt employment. Well, certain employers like universities or non-profit research organizations are exempt from the H1B cap and can offer the alternative pathways to work in the US. So friends, that's all for today. But before leaving, let's have a quick recap. Here, what happens after you file your H1B petition. Number 1, your petition enters the lottery if subject to the cap, and if selected, USCIS processes your case with updates available online. You will receive one of 3 outcomes like approval, denial, or an RFE. And here's a bonus tip as well. If you receive an RFE, then don't panic. Work closely with your employer and an immigration attorney to provide exactly what USCIS is asking for. A timely and thorough response can also make all the difference. So friends, if this video helped you understand the H1B process in a better way, then please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show for more helpful content. And if you got a question, then please drop them in the comments below. I would love to provide the best solution. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.